Praneeth, good evening, beta. Gautam, good evening. No, beta, today relation and function, no, derivative part I am going to teach today. Derivative part, like some revision questions of derivative. If you don't know derivative is exactly going to come in 12th examination like anything. So derivative revision I am going to give. So be there and you will be learning, okay? Derivative you have not finished, it will be helpful for you. Good evening, Bhumi. Beta, derivative exactly very toughest section. We are going to study derivative one more time so that whatever doubts you are having, I'm just going to clear the doubt. Some methods are there, that method you are going to understand so that you will be able to solve the derivative section. Simple question also you will not be able to attempt if these type of questions are coming. Like first question, like y is equal to sin x plus cos x is given. So what is the differentiation of sin x and cos x? Tell me first. What is the differentiation of sin x and cos x? What is the, good evening Adit, Bhumi, good evening. What is the differentiation of sin x and cos x? Come on, you can do it. What is the differentiation of sin x and cos x? We'll start with easy questions and I'll take you to different level where you can be able. So what type of questions will be coming? Because what derivative you are going to study now, same derivative is going to come for 12th. So if you are weak in derivative means you have to start doing it. Cos x minus sin x, very good Adit. Ma'am, today trigonometry, yes, trigonometry and derivative both I am going to give. First I am starting with derivative beta. Y will be equal to sin x plus cos x is there. Then how to attempt derivative question? How to attempt derivative question? So first you are differentiating with respect to x. First write differentiating with respect to x. You should know how to differentiate it. You should know how to differentiate it. So when you are differentiating Adit, you are going to write dy by dx. So exactly for differentiation d of dx we are using. So now we are just going to write here dy by dx and then differentiation of dx. Now sin x plus cos x. Now what is now distribute differentiation? Dy by dx is equal to d of sin x by dx plus d of cos x by dx. So sin x will become cos x and cos x will become minus sin x. Cos x will become minus sin x. So dy by dx is equal to cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x. I hope you might have understood how to solve this question. See, simple differentiations and two different level differentiation. Everyone start typing and sending the answer. Cos x minus sin x is there. Trigonometry, that angle part also I am going to teach. Don't worry about that. So another question I am just going to give you, ki if they will give you like this type of question, y equal to x log x plus sin x. So if differentiation part is coming like this and directly they will be asking you find the differentiation of it, derivative. First principle no, normal derivative. First principle no, normal derivative. Adit, tomorrow afternoon what questions doubt are there in trigonometry? Now first I am going to explain that one for you and conic section. Come on, you can do it. Tell the answer. Y will be equal to x log x plus sin x, because straight away from here it will go to class 12. Y will be equal to x log x plus sin x. So when you are differentiating it, how you are going to differentiate? Again you will write differentiating with respect to x. So when you are writing differentiating with respect to Adit x, then dy by dx. Now you have to distribute the d of dx both sides. So when you are differentiating d of dx, it will become x log x plus sin x. Okay, so now distribute this one. Now UV method. Last class I was discussing about UV method. Very good, Gautam. So answer is exactly coming as log x plus 1 plus cos x. Okay, fine. Let's check this one out. So d of dx, Gautam has given answer. First what I am doing is I am taking this one x log x and then I am taking sin x. So now how to differentiate this one x log x plus sin x if I am taking? Where is Kritika? Where is everyone? I just wanted everyone to listen to these parts. Very, very important section for differentiation. So now look here. dy by dx. dy by dx. So now dy by dx will be equal to, this is uv method. X is u and log is v. So one time we will take u and leave v. One time we will take v and leave u. So here it is coming as x d of log x plus log x d of x Now x log x differentiation. You should know what is the differentiation of which one. So log x differentiation is what? Log x differentiation is 1 by x plus, now here x differentiation will be 1 and now sin x will become cos x. So this part is exactly going to cancel. So dy by dx will be equal to 1 plus log x plus cos x. So what answer you are giving? 1 plus log x plus cos x is absolutely correct, Gautam. That answer is absolutely correct. I am going to merge and mix everything and I am going to give for practice. Okay, I am going to merge and mix everything and I am going to give you for practice. Now like this type of question they will be asking. Another type of question if you are expecting, then they will give you a question like x log x by sin x plus cos x. This is extreme level of differentiation. Once you will learn how to do this level of differentiation, means half part of the story will be over there only. Come on, go for this one. Go for this one. You can do it. You can do it. Adit, do it. Then we will go for trigonometry question because I am going to merge trigonometry question with this question also. So y will be equal to x log x by sin x plus cos x. X log x by sin x plus cos x. When this type of questions will be coming, then how you are going to handle, because it is written in u by v method. So what is u by v method? U by v method means this is u and this is exactly v. So how to solve this question? Come on, go for it. Answer please. Log x plus 1 plus cos x was the previous answer. This answer? What answer we are expecting? Gautam has given the answer. Sin x plus cos x log x plus 1 minus x minus log x by cos x minus sin x. Very good, Gautam. Cosine x plus cos x. Let's see, Gautam, answer is coming or not. So we know the formula, differentiating both sides. So it will become dy by dx. This part will be v du. So v first we are going to write, denominator part. This one we are going to write first. So it will become sin x plus cos x. Now differentiation of this and then differentiation of x log x by dx plus, Now we are going to leave this one, because one time we have written v du, means we have that denominator part we have written, and then differentiation part of that one we have written, and then we wrote minus u dv, that is x log x we have written, and then differentiation of sin x plus cos x. Now by denominator, this total will become sin x plus cos x whole square. So it is exactly going to come as sin x plus cos x. We are going to leave it as it is. Now differentiation of this one will be, x differentiation will become 1, log differentiation will become 1 by x, because log x will give you 1 by x. 1 by x and x will get cancelled. So 1 plus log x will come, and then minus x log x, and this part will be differentiation of sin x will become cos x will become minus sin x. So absolutely correct, Gautam. Answer is coming as sin x plus cos x whole square. Sin x plus cos x whole square. Absolutely correct, Gautam. Answer is absolutely correct. Now 1-2 typical question only. See, in differentiation section, if you are expecting a type of question, then expect that type of question, which will be exactly either in u by v method, or it will be u into v method. Simple method only they will be asking. They will not be asking very complex question. Okay. First principle questions we have already done, but first principle question, one question I am expecting that in your paper one first principle question will be there. That will not be of very high level, but 100% one level question will be there. So now I am going to go for like one first principle question, like if they will be asking from trigonometry section, if they will be asking from trigonometry section first principle question, then how you are going to handle, and if they will be asking first principle section from algebra section, how you are going to handle. No big deals you have to do. If someone will give you this question and tell you that solve by first principle, derivative part go by first principle also, derivative part go by the simple differentiation, because simple differentiation will also be there in the question paper. First principle is a very basic for you, so first principle related question will also be there in the question paper. So if f of x will be equal to sin x plus tan x, solve or find the derivative of it, find the derivative of it using first principle. Find the derivative of it, Chapri. Hi Chapri. Find the derivative of it using first principle. Answer is coming as cos x plus secant square x. This answer cos x plus secant square x, Gautam, you have given by direct differentiation. But what if they will be asking you by first principle? Now how to attempt for the first principle question? Because after this you will be able to solve. Now what is given to you? F of x is given to you as sin x plus tan x. Now what you have to do? You have to find f of x plus h. It will become sin of x plus h plus tan of x plus h. So wherever x is there, it will get converted into x plus h. Now come on, let's see what we have to do here. First work is, we know that for derivative method, f dash x will be first principle, limit h tends to 0. Here it will become f of x plus h minus f of x by h is there. Now what will be f of x plus h? So here limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h will be sin of x plus h plus tan of x plus h minus sin x minus tan x by h. Any extra fitting is required here? Chapri, cos x plus secant square x. That is absolutely correct, Chapri. But only one small work is there. What you will do when you are solving this question by first principle? what is the exactly use of first principle here? Then we are just going to do one small work, because here one simple technique here is we need secant square x. What we need here is secant square x, and when you are exactly going to read, because direct solving to it is easy. Now what I am going to do is I'll take this 2 and I will write sine of x plus h into minus sine of x, and then tan is written now. So tan also I have to convert, because here the biggest challenge right now for me is I just have to remove this part. I just have to remove tan x plus h and tan 1, because first principle we are solving, and when this question will be coming, this question will be 100% coming for how much marks? 4 marks. So when 4 marks question will be there, then we are definitely going to handle it with much care. So it is exactly going to come for x plus h minus sine of x by cos of x. Once we will be writing like this, now to this part is exactly going to be written as h is down. We are not going to touch the h section in the denominator section. Now limit h tends to 0. Now sin c minus sin d formula. Then you will be saying, very well, we know the formula for sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now the next important thing is we have to take LCM here. Let's see, because we have done only this section, h is still down, we have not handled h till now. Now we are exactly going to write plus. Now cross multiplication, this one will become sine of x plus h into cos h minus sine of x cos of x plus h by cos x into cos of x plus h. Once we have written till here, now denominator h part is there. 2-3 very heavy steps will come, but once that steps will be coming, you will be 100% able to solve the question. Thank you, Chapri. Now look here. So after this, what we are going to write is limit h tends to 0. Now this section is 2x. So here it will become 2 cos. Here 2x means x plus h by 2 is written. Okay, x plus h by 2 we got. Now sine part will be coming as what? This and this will get cancelled. We got sine of h by 2, jackpot. So now I am not going to do anything. I am just going to distribute h this side. I just distributed h this side. Now here sine a minus sine b. Sine a sine cos b. What is the formula for sine a into cos b minus cos a into sine b? Then answer will become sine of a minus b. Sine of a minus b. Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b is sine of a minus b. So I am not doing anything. I am just writing here is x plus h minus a minus b. X will be there. So written x. And denominator part is coming as cos x into cos of x plus h into h. Story over. Because once we have distributed this one, this and this will go to hell. Now only one small work is left, and that small work is to solve this one. Because here if you will be taking it very nicely, then you see one thing, limit h tends to 0 is there, because I have given you question sin x. Now let's see what answer is going to come. 2 is exactly coming, because sin c plus sin d formula 2 part will be coming, but 2 will be 100% will get cancelled anywhere. Don't worry about this 2. This 2 is extra fitting and it will get cancelled. So now here don't touch this region. I am warning you. Now just touch this one, sine of h by 2. Denominator this h is there na. Very cleverly down of this h by 2, and multiply here also only 1 by 2. Okay, why I have done like this? Because we know the formula, limit h tends to 0, sine of h by h equal to 1. So whatever here is there, if written same thing, then this will complete give you 1. Okay, so now after this what we are going to do is, we will be writing sine h by h into 1 by cos of x plus h. If you are capable of going to this step, then only 4 mark will be awarded. Definitely pray to God, never they will give you first principle, because first principle, this 2 and this 2 will go to hell. Now this part will total become what? 1. Okay, now why to write this one? Now wherever h is there, put 0. So now this side is coming as cos of x plus 0. This section total is coming as 1 into 1 plus this part is total coming as 1 into 1 by cos x into h will become 0, so it will become cos x. Story over, we got the answer. Why? Because look here, it is coming as cos x plus 1 by cos square x is secant square x. This is done by first principle. And when first principle will be coming, yes, sine of a minus b. Thank you, Chapri. God bless you, beta. So when like this type of questions will be coming, then 100% we have to just imply that, okay, first principle, what next to do? What next to do is follow strictly the formula. If trigonometry formula is there in your hand, trigonometric command is there in your hand, nobody will be able to move you. I simply used only trigonometry, no other thing. Pure trigonometry concept I used, and there I just used pure formulas. So once you will be going purely by formulas, means back to back you will be getting the answer. Okay, fine. Shall we go for the next question, please? Shall we go for one next question, please? Ready, everyone? Ready, everyone? So since I am giving overall revision, I am going to ask one question from trigonometry. Ready, everyone? Let's see how you are answering trigonometry question. Fine. Question is very simple. Question is very simple, only for 2 marks. Only for 2 marks. Adit, get ready. Only for 2 marks. Question is, okay, Gautam, question is 8 cos cube pi by 9 minus 6 cos pi by 9 will be equal to what? Try this question out. Let's see. If you have trigonometry formula command, the question will not at all be existing in front of you for 5 minutes also. 5 minutes is more. We cannot waste 5 minutes in question. Just first work is to understand the question. Question is 8 cos cube pi by 9 minus 6 cos pi by 9. Minus 6 cos pi by 9. And now see what question is demanding, what answer you are going to give. This value will be equal to what? And it is totally purely needing formula. Purely needing formula. Let's see what formula you are going to use here. Who will solve this question? Adit, I went to trigonometry and most important questions in trigonometry I started discussing. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, derivative, trigonometry, everything I am going to give you revision, beta. Wait, okay, Chapri, I am going to solve. No, sorry, I am going to wait. I am going to wait. Waiting, everyone. Not an answer. Anyone? Two lines. Question will be dead in 2 lines. Any idea? I Chapri, super. Answer is absolutely correct. One is there. Now you know what one formula is there, and that is cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. That's it. This is exactly that formula. Then you will be saying that cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x is there. Where in this formula that is there? Your question is 8 cos cube pi by 9 minus 6 cos pi by 9. So here you take 2 common, 4 cos cube pi by 9 minus 3 cos pi by 9. So instead of x, what is there? Pi by 9. So we can write 2. This one will become cos 3x, 3 into pi by 3. Pi by 3 is cos 60 degree. Cos pi by 3. So cos pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degree, and cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Cancel, answer is coming as 1. 1, 2, third answer you got. 2 lines. I hope you might have understood. Gautam, yes. Absolutely correct. चलो एक और boss वाला question solve करो. Now the question given to you is, let's see how you are going to solve this question. 15 sine 5 pi by 12, 15 sine 5 pi by 12 plus 15 cos 5 pi by 12 minus 20 sine 15 sine 5 pi by 12 plus cos plus 15 cos 5 pi by 12, okay, minus 20 sine cube 5 pi by 12 minus 20 sine cube 5 pi by 12 minus 20 cos cube 5 pi by 12 will be equal to what? Extreme formula based question for 4 mark. For 4 mark extreme formula based question. Let's see what answer is going to come. Give me answer. What answer expecting here? Think about it. Answer. Answer please. Can I solve? Can I solve and give you the answer? Same formula based question it is. Same total formula based question. I'm going to solve this one. Look here. What you have to do here is, when this type of question will be coming, for 1 minute definitely you will be silent and you will be thinking what else to do here. Nothing is written here. Exactly the question pattern starts here itself. Now look here. Here first is 15 sine 5 pi by 12, and I'm going to take this one out, minus 20 sine cube 5 pi by 12. So first I have taken sine and sine together. Okay, and then I am going to take cos and cos together. 15 cos 5 pi by 12 minus 20 cos cube 5 pi by 12. Now I am going to take 5 common. The moment I am taking 5 common, I am getting it as 3, 5 3 is a 15 sine 5 pi by 12 minus 4 sine cube 5 pi by 12. Now this is reminding me about one formula, and you know what is that formula? Formula is sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. This is exactly reminding me about this formula. So what I am going to write here is, and another part is, if I am again going to take out 5 common, but here I have to take out minus 5 common, because cos formula is just opposite of it. Cos formula is just opposite of it. Cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 sin theta. 4 cos cube theta. Okay, Chapri has given answer 0. Okay, very good. So here just we are going to check this one out. So minus, can we take out minus 5? The moment we have taken out minus, so it is going to be 4 cos cube 5 pi by 12 minus 3 cos minus 3 cos 5 pi by 12. So now this part is going to come as 5 into sine 3 into 5 pi by 12, and here it is minus 5 into cos 3 into 5 pi by 12. 5 into, this is coming as 4 sine 5 pi by 4 minus 5 cos 5 pi by 4. Now here, why it will become 0, Chapri? Why it will become 0? Anyone tell me why the value will become 0? Because sine 5 pi by 4 hai and cos 5 pi by 4 is there. Sine pi by 4, sine pi by 4, sine 5 pi by 4 and cos 5 pi by 4 is there. So then the confusion will be there. One trigonometric ratio is sine, another trigonometric ratio is cos. How can they cancel each other? First think. No, I don't have time to do all those things. 5 sine 5 pi by 4 minus cos 5 pi by 4. Now just one simple thing I am going to do. We just know that one small step will be needed here, that 5 pi by 4, now it will be written as sine of pi plus pi by 4 minus cos of pi plus pi by 4. Pi plus pi by 4 means if you will take LCM, it will get converted into. So 180 plus theta is sine pi by 4, and 180 plus theta will be what? Here you see 180 plus theta will be there. So definitely minus part will be coming. Minus part is coming. Okay. So it is exactly going to come minus. PUBG you are playing. So it is again going to come 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 means pi plus pi by 4. Pi plus pi by 4 will be coming as what? What will be the value of pi plus pi by 4 will be coming? 5 pi by 4. So this section it will become, because pi plus pi by 4 will be there. Sine will this time become minus, because it is coming for third quadrant. Okay, pi plus pi by 4 means third quadrant. In third quadrant, sine and cos both are negative. Fine. PUBG के बारे में क्यों पूछा तुम? So it is going to come as minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 equal to 0. 5 into 0, so 0. So I wrote the full systematic step there. Nothing I have missed. Everything step by step I have written. Nothing I have missed. Chapri, I have not even missed that angle. Directly I have not killed it. Maths is so fascinating. After this I don't enjoy anything. Now next question is, try this question out. Now one question will be there, like this type of question for proof they will be giving 1 plus cos 4x by 1 plus cos 4x will be equal to cos x minus tan x, and that will be equal to what? Cos x minus tan x will be equal to what? Okay, 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos 4x by cos x minus tan x, it will be exactly equal to what? Solve it. Shaishri till 9:30, 10:30. What happens, Shaishri? Go for this question. Solve it. 1 plus cos 4x by cos x minus tan x. 1 plus cos 4x by cos x minus tan x. Go for this question. Anyone answer, please? Can I solve? Question is exactly very simple. Look here. In this question, what you have to do is cos 2x formula. If you have command on cos 3 and yes, all 4 mark question, typical questions Adit I am touching. All 4 marks question. नहीं बना, easy question है. Look here. कुछ मत करो, ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाओ ही मत इस क्वेश्चन में. फॉर्मूला है cos 2x इक्वल टू cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x formula na, it is having 3 formulas. What are the 3 formulas of cos 2x? So cos 2x can also be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x is also written as 1 minus 2 cos square sin square x. So these are the 3 formulas of cos 2x. Now here, when you will be shifting this one this side na, it will become 1 plus cos 2x. So out of this now, which one is giving plus? 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x, and 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. So these 2 formula command if you are having, you will be able to solve the questions directly. Fine. So now how we are going to solve the question directly? So here, when 1 plus, just understand formula, we are going to write since 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x, then 1 plus cos, we need 4. That means multiply 2 with 2x. So when you are doubling this side of the angle, this side of the angle will also become double. Cos square 2 into x. So that means 1 plus cos 4x equal to 2 cos square 2x. Come on. We did like that. No big deal. We just solved this much. Now sin x by cos x. So numerator section we have a command right now. Now in numerator part we have 2 cos square 2x. So that means now some grip is there in this. Now denominator section, go for it. cos x minus tan x, I am just converting it into sin x by cos x. So I just converted tan x as sin x by cos x because it was creating problem for me. It was not coming actually. So what I am going to do here is, let's see what else I can do for this question. Let us take LCM because cos x minus tan x is there. So sin x by cos x is coming. So it is going to come as 2 cos square 2x by this, and this will multiply. It will become cos square x minus sin x by cos square x minus sin x by cos x. Okay, till here you got or not? Till here everybody got or not? Okay. Now look here, half sine for look here, half exactly we have done, half sine here exactly we have given. Now look here, 2 cos square 2x is there. Now we are exactly going to take something because here sin x by cos x we are watching, but problem here is कि cos square x is strucking somewhere. So when cos square x will be strucking somewhere, we need sin square x. Something has to be done with sine. Can you tell me what work I am going to do with sine? Quickly say, with sine what work I can do? Because cos square 2x is there. So when cos square 2x will be there, what work I am going to do with sine? Okay, we can't do anything with this question. This question is exactly open and shut question only. So exactly it is going to come as 2 cos square 2x into cos x by cos square x can get converted into 1 minus sin square x minus sin x. So this will become your answer. Why we are going to bother? Because nothing is here. Because sin x by cos x means take LCM, shift it up. That's it. This is going to be, and if you will be exactly wanting to waste, you have extra time in examination hall, then you use it. It's your time. Totally your time. Shall we go for next question? That's it. Only this much is needed. We need not to prove any big thing. They told to solve. They didn't told na you bring it this much equal to this. When somebody will be telling you prove this equal to this, then only you have to bring. They told just solve. So solve to the nearest simplest form. That's it. After that, if nothing is there, stop there only. No need to use extra part of your brain. It will pain only. Okay. Now look here. Next question. Shall we go for next question? Let's see how you are going to solve the next question. Ready everyone? Question is cos square x plus cos square x plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos square x minus 2 pi by 3 x minus 2 pi by 3. Solve it. Your question, not mine. Come on, go for it. बना तो लिया होगा. You didn't convert it into simplest one. That was the work only you have not done. All these questions need only formula command. If you see, some students are there now, what they do is they write every trigonometric formula in the note, and every morning, every evening, they just broom the formula. Broom the formula means see from the top to the bottom formula. They have formula command. If you will ask from them, now what is the formula of sin 2x? They'll say 2 sin x into cos x. Then what is the formula for sin c plus sin d? They'll say 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. And when you will give one question to them, then they will be highly confused which formula to use. You know what? I have seen many students having this problem because you know the formula, you don't know how to implement it. You will only learn for implementation until and unless you will not go there and search and play with it. You will never come out. You will never come out. You will never learn this. So the best method is self-analysis. Solve it on your own. Then only it will come for you. Otherwise, this 4 marks question will divorce you and leave you. You will never be able to solve these questions. Zero only will be the product. Come on, solve. Wow, Chapri, super. How you got 3 by 2, Chapri? Very good. So now look here. How to solve this question? I told you one formula. That formula only I am going to implement, because that formula is the most shortcut formula for me right now, and it will track me to the correct one. Okay. So that is, the formula is 2 cos 2x is equal to 1 plus, okay, 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x, because right now only square is bothering me, and anyhow my first target is 3 by 2 होगा. छपरी देखते हैं. My first target was to remove that 3 by 2. That, sorry, square was the problem for me. So to remove that square, first work what I am going to do here is, I am going to clean this one out. I'm just going to write the formula part of it. So I'm just going to first multiply half here, and 2 I will be distributing full. चलो फ्री में 2 बांट दो. 2 cos स्क्वायर x प्लस 2 cos स्क्वायर x प्लस 2 पाई बाई 3 प्लस 2 cos स्क्वायर x माइनस 2 पाई बाई 3. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डन. नाउ यू नो द फॉर्मूला. 2 cos स्क्वायर x equal to 1 plus cos 2x. So instead of 2 cos square x, we will be writing 1 plus cos 2x. Here also, don't get scared by watching this. This is nothing. If you will take this as y, you will be able to solve the question. So it is exactly going to come as 1 plus, 1 plus cos 2 will be coming 2x plus 2 pi by 3, plus 1 plus cos 2x minus 2 pi by 3. Jackpot, because after this only one work. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will become 3 plus cos 2x. Now here it is coming as this part and this part. Why can't we take and use some formula? So the formula what we can use here is, cos c plus cos d formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2x plus 2 pi by 3. 2x minus 2 pi by 3 by 2 into cos 2 x plus 2 pi by 3 minus 2 x minus 2 pi by 3 by 2 is there. Fine. Till here if we got, after this what we have to do? Nothing. 1 by 2 is coming, 3 is here. So now cos 2x is there. We'll write cos 2x as it is. Fine. If I will solve this question, I will be very, very happy, because this is really a very good question. So now here it is going to come as, no, plus 2 is coming. So 2, get lost, 2, gone. So it is exactly going to come as x plus 2 pi by 3 plus x minus 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 gone, because look here, 2 up and 2 down. So if you will take 2 outside from numerator and 2 outside, so it will get cancelled. I didn't waste time there. Here also 2 and 2 is there, take out, it will get cancelled. Here it will become cos of x plus 2 pi by 3 minus x plus 2 pi by 3. So here it will become half 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x cos 2 pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3 will become 4 pi by 3. Cos 2x we have kept as it is. We are not at all touching cos 2x. God knows why I am not touching cos 2x. I just left cos 2x as it is. Cos 4 pi by 3. How much degree it is exactly going to come as? 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 is pi by 3. 60 degree. 60 degree first, second, third, fourth. Positive only. So it is exactly going to come as cos 4 pi by 3 minus half. Shortcut I put cos 2x. Here with that cos 2x is multiplied. Cos 2x. Cancel. 3 by 2. Shapri, that's what. Your answer is absolutely correct. Gautam, cos of A plus cos of B. Yes, absolutely correct, Gautam. Cos of A plus cos of B I've just used. Simple content here is only one small work, minus 1 by 2. Absolutely correct, Chhatri. Chhatri की छपरी, मुझे नाम पे बहुत confusion हो रहा है तेरा. 4 pi by 3 means pi plus pi by 3. You know what? If you will be going here now, 4 pi by 3 is nothing but pi plus pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3 means third quadrant. In third quadrant, it will become minus cos pi by 3. Minus cos pi by 3 means minus half. Minus cos pi by 3 means minus half. Okay. Nice, yeah. Nice. Super. And this was NCRT question. Come on. If you will not solve NCRT question, NCRT will leave you forever. NCRT will not turn back to you. Now solve one more question. Examination time na. So one more question we will solve. Question is sin 5x. Sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x. Plus sin x. Sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x by cos 5x minus cos x. Come on, kill this problem. Solve करके बताओ क्या हो सकता है इसका आंसर. Come on, solve and tell what answer can come for this. Try this question on pure formula based question. I just want to say only one thing, pure formula based question. And if you know formula, you will be able to solve it. If you don't know formula, you will be sitting with me and thinking what else to do. Come on, you can do it. Can I solve? Can I solve? Can I solve? Super Chapri. Nice one here. So now look here. Sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x. So first target my will be this one and this one. So I am going to take sin 5x plus sin x minus 2 sin 3x. The one which I not need, I just removed it one side. Now cos 5x, cos c minus cos d formula is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. Come on. Now here also sin c plus sin d formula 2 sin 5x plus x by 2 into cos 5x minus x by 2 minus 2 sin 3x is there. Let's check this one out. Denominator 2 is there. Sin 6x by 2 means sin 3x. Fine. So sin 3x into sin of minus 4x by 2 is minus 2x. Minus 2x. Come on. My first target is taking 2 out. Now sin 6x will become sin 3x cos 2x minus sine 3x by 2 sine 3x. One extra step fitting I have just did stupidity. So sine 2x is coming, huh? So 2 and 2 went to hell. So sine 3x also take it out. So it is exactly going to come as cos 2x minus 1 minus, oh bhai, I am getting minus y here. Because cos c minus cos d formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. Chhatri, you got something, I got something, and now I know why I got this thing. So here sin 3x is there, and here it is exactly going to come as sin 2x. Kill this one out. So I am going to take minus out. It will become 1 minus cos 2x by minus 2 sin x into cos x. 2 over here. So it will become 2 sin square x by 2 sin x into cos x. What else we need when this type of butterfly question will come? Sin x by cos x. Cancel kar do yaar. Tan x is coming. Yes, tan x is absolutely correct. When these type of questions are coming now, you feel very happy. Happy in the sense means you feel relaxed. Questions are so easy. Huh? These trigonometric questions are nothing but warming up exercise. Huh? Warming up exercise only. So I'm going to keep it till here. Tomorrow morning we will have a session where we are going to discuss more questions. So tomorrow most important questions we are going to discuss. Gautam, can you do one thing? I think you don't have question paper. I'll be asking from others. Fine. I'm going to keep it till here. Good night everyone.